In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit an indicator in TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your chart, and of course, you want to add the indicator you wish to edit. So go to Indicators up top, and you want to find the one that you want to add. I'm going to go with Bollinger Bands right now for this example, so I'm going to just click on them, and there we go. The first part is done. We have the Bollinger Bands, however, this is the default setup. If you want to edit the indicator, you want to go to the top left, find the indicator, and hover over it, and then you want to click on this settings button over here, and as you can see, this will allow you to basically edit the indicator. So I can change the length over here, I can change the basis, source, etc. Of course, every single indicator is going to have different things. So if I put this, for example, to 5 over here, and I'm going to put this to EMA over here, as you can see, the indicator is being edited in the background, and it's actually changing, so just like this. And of course, you can change pretty much anything. You can also change the style if you want to, so I can, for example, change the colors of these different bars over here, just like this. As you can see, it's changing in the back. And of course, I could go and change how they appear as well. Okay, now the visibility can also be changed just like this. There's a bunch of things you can edit, and you can also go back to defaults or save a new default if you want to have something as a default every single time you add that specific indicator on your chart. Okay, so that's how to do this. Then click on OK, and your indicator has been edited. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.